How to turn off dark mode on your Android on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily turn off the dark mode on your YouTube app on your Android device. The process is the same for both Android and iPhone, so just follow along to turn off dark mode. First thing first, you'll have to open up your YouTube app. And as you can see, all of my videos here are on dark mode and the background is also dark. So what you want to do here is simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. You just have to tap on the U icon like so, and then simply head over to your settings menu on the top right. Here you'll find the gear icons that says general, so head over to that settings and head over to appearances. Now here, as you can see, dark theme is selected. So if you want it always to be light themed, so just tap on light and your YouTube would be turned into light mode. And if you want, you can also choose your device's theme. So if your device has dark mode turned on, it will be dark. And if your device has light mode turned on, it will be light. So that's how you can easily turn off dark mode on YouTube. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.